Thank you so much.
On arrival at the University of Benin Teaching Hospital, UBTH, Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Adekunle Sarako, was taken on a guided tour of the facilities at the hospital, including the Biomedical Engineering Complex, A&E Theatre, among others, by the Chief Medical Director, Professor Darlington Obaseki, in company with some management staff. Also present with the Chief Medical Director, Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital, Benin, Dr. Imafidon Agbon Nile, Medical Director, Federal Orthopedic Hospital, Benin, Dr. Philip Ubodaga. In his remarks, CMD University of Benin Teaching Hospital, Professor Darlington Obaseki, informed the Minister of State for Health about the reforms and transformations that are taking place in the hospital, including structural upgrades and staff training.
We have more than 250 consultants, more than 300 resident doctors, and 750 nurses. Since I've been on board, there has never been as much funding of the healthcare sector as we have seen last year and this year. And this has allowed us to do so many things, like physical infrastructure upgrade, as you have seen.
In his comment, the Visiting Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Adekunle Sarako, who publicly commended the CMD of UBTH, Professor Darlington Obaseki, management and staff of the hospital for quality healthcare delivery, said he will continue to canvass for an increased funding for health sector that will address some of the challenges raised by Professor Darlington Obaseki.
Let me also appreciate you for all the innovation that you have brought in. I like the idea of focusing on upgrades. So we will continue to value the service of health professionals. The fact of the matter is that to be a doctor, to be a nurse, to be a pharmacist is a lifelong commitment, and it's beyond economic value, it's passion.
It is the first official visit of the Minister of State for Health since he was appointed last year by President Tinubu. Donald Ehiminyen, ITV News.